السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أنا اسمي كريم، يبان شكلي في الكاميرا كبير شوية ولكن أنا عندي 15 سنة بس في الحقيقة. المهم، أنا عايز أبدأ رحلتي معاكم في عالم الجيمنج بإذن الله، ودي لستة الألعاب اللي عندي كلها، وبإذن الله عايز أبدأ رحلة إن أنا أختم كل الألعاب دي على القناة. الألعاب دي كلها ألعاب قصصية وأنا بحب جدا الألعاب القصصية، وعايز أبدأ النهاردة بلعبة الناس بتقول عليها قصتها أسطورية، قصة عظيمة، قصة يعني حلوة جدا. بس أنا مش بحب أخد كلام الناس في كل حاجة، وخصوصا في الألعاب، لأن أنا بحب أخش أجرب بنفسي على طول. وبسم الله هبدأ اللعبة، وهي The Last of Us Part 1. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. هرجع لكم بعد ما أبدأ اللعبة. ورجعت الحمد لله بعد ما اللعبة بدأت، ويلا بينا. بسم الله. ألبس بس السماعة، مش متعود على لبس السماعة، ولكن الصوت هيطلع في التسجيل بتاع التليفون الفيس كام. ولكن يلا بينا. بسم الله. رابع جديدة. معتدل. مش مهم. يلا يا مسهل. هي شكلها كده هتطول، ماشي، عشان بس وقت الفيديو. هرجع بإذن الله بعد ما اتحمل. ورجعت تاني الحمد لله. خلاص هي قربت تحمل اهي. بسم الله. ايوه بدأت. من اعمال سوني. ماشي. نوتي دوج. متحمس جدا.
Tommy, listen to me. He is the contractor. He's the contractor, okay? I can't lose this job. I understand. Let's talk about this in the morning, okay? We'll talk about it in the morning. All right, good night.
Hey.
Scoot.
Monday at work, huh?
What are you still doing up? It's late.
Crud, what time is it?
It's way past your
But
bedtime.
it's still today.
تجاوزت وقت مع الله. يا
I do
سلام.
not have the energy for this.
لو احنا اصلا بننام الساعة واحدة مثلا.
What's this?
2 قصدي.
Your birthday? You kept complaining about your broken watch. So, I figured, you know. You like it?
Honey, this is... It's
What?
nice, but I think it's stuck. It's not...
What? No. Oh, ha ha.
Where did you get the money for this?
Drugs. I sell hardcore
لا
drugs.
بتهزر.
Oh, good. You started helping out with the mortgage.
بيهزروا.
Yeah, you wish.
دي بنت سارة، بنت جول. اسمه جول صح؟
My baby.
جول. اتحرك ولا ايه؟
Hello?
Sarah, honey, I need to get your daddy on the phone.
Uncle Tommy, what time is it?
I need to talk to your dad now. There's something.
الله 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 الله.
Uncle Tommy? Hello?
بداية المعمعة شكلها. كده ابدأ اتحرك. بسم الله.
What was that all about?
استكشف ولا بلاش؟
Oh, dang it. I forgot to give this to him.
ما علينا. نبدأ أحسن، بلاش نقعد نستكشف.
Dad?
ما بحبش أنا أجواء الضلمة، بكره حاجة اسمها ألعاب رعب. هنا حمام.
Daddy? You in
seem
here?
to be somehow connected to the
Where
nationwide
the heck
pandemic.
are you?
We've received reports that victims afflicted with the infection show
That's
signs of
nearby.
increased aggression, and
Move everybody out of here now. There's a gas leak. Hey,
there seems to be some commotion coming from.
get the hell out of here, bro!
الله 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 الله.
What was that?
يا نهار أبيض، ده جنبهم.
Oh God. Dad?
هو فين؟
Dad?
حاجة وربنا يعني ترعب.
What's going on?
ايه ده ايه ده ايه ده ايه ده؟ لا إله إلا الله، لا إله إلا الله.
There's his phone.
بقلق أنا من التليفونات دي بقى اللي بتتساب في البيوت دي.
8 missed calls. Where the hell are you? Call me on my way.
ده أخوه تومي. تومي كان المهم لا، ما هي لو هتقلب برعب أنا بكره ألعاب الرعب.
There you are.
Sarah, are you okay?
Yeah?
Does anyone come in here?
No, who would come in here?
Don't go near the doors. Just stand back there.
Dad, you're kind of freaking
هتعمل
me
إيه
out.
يعني أهو؟
What's going on?
It's the Coopers.
قبرص.
Something ain't right with them. I think they're sick.
We're kind of sick.
يا بنت العرب.
Jesus. Jimmy!
Dad?
Honey, come here. Come here. Jimmy! Jimmy! Jimmy, I am warning you! Don't!
أنا كنت عايش مش دي بنت كلب دلوقتي.
You shot him.
Sarah,
I saw him this morning.
listen to me. There is something bad going on. And we've got to get out of here. Do you understand me?
أيوة لا تخرج لوحدها.
Tommy, come on.
الاتنين أيوة.
Where the hell you been? You have any idea what's going on out there?
I got some notion.
ده عمها
Shit.
تقريبا.
One in there.
You got blood all
أخو
over
جول.
you.
It ain't mine. Let's just get out of here.
This ain't half the people in Sydney lost.
واسمه جول ولا جول ولا اسمه ايه؟
Some sort of parasite or something. You gonna tell me what happened?
Later.
Hey, Sarah. How you holding up, honey?
I'm fine. Can we hear what's on the radio?
Yeah, sure thing.
Thanks.
No cell phone, no radio. Yeah, we're doing great. A minute ago, newsman wouldn't shut up.
They say where to go?
They said, Army's put up roadblocks on the highway. No getting into Travis County.
We need to get the hell out. Take 71.
71, that's where I'm headed.
لا حول ولا
Did they say how many are dead?
Probably a lot. They found this one family all mangled inside their
Tommy.
house. Right. I'm sorry.
عشان البنت ما تتعقدش.
Jesus Christ, how did this happen?
They got no clue. But we ain't the only town. At first they were saying it's just the south. Now they're going on about the east coast, the west coast.
لا 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 لا.
Holy hell. That's Lewis's farm. I hope that son bitch made it out.
I'm sure he did.
Are we sick?
No, of course not.
How do you know?
They said it's just people in the city. We're good.
Didn't Jimmy work in the city?
That's right, he did. We're fine, trust me.
All right.
Let's see what they need.
Who do you think you're doing? Keep driving.
I got a kid, Joel.
So do we.
We have room.
Hey,
Keep driving,
stop.
Tommy.
stop!
بالشفا.
You ain't seen what I seen. Someone else will come along.
Should have helped him.
هو ايه اللي حصل مرة واحدة كده؟
Oh, this is bad.
يا نهار
Everyone
أبيض.
and their mother had the same damn idea.
We could just backtrack and...
What the fuck, man? Let's go!
شاديني.
turn us around. Tommy! Tommy!
Holy shit! What just happened? What the fuck just happened? Did you see that?
Yes, sorry.
God damn.
Turn here, turn here.
No. Come on, people, move.
What are they running from?
Get us out of here.
I'm trying.
Oh no.
We can't stop here, Tommy.
I can't fucking drive through them,
Then
Joel!
back up then!
They're behind me, too!
There!
Hold on!
Go!
لا 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 لا. شاديني. لا 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 ماتوا؟ أكيد لا يعني.
Daddy? Hey. Hey!
لا باين القصة هتشد. باينها كده القصة هتشد.
Dad?
جه في وقت.
I'm here, baby. I'm here. Come on, give me your hand. What is it?
My leg hurts.
يا دي النيلو.
Pretty bad.
We're gonna need to run.
سيارة الغاية محتاجة نركض. هنعمل ايه بقى يا أستاذ؟
Keep us safe. Come on, baby. Now hold on tight.
هتفضل شايلها كده؟
Daddy, I'm scared.
Just keep your eyes closed, honey.
أروح فين؟ يا بوي.
Keep running!
ده البيت هتتعقد تعقيدة بنت كلب لما
People
تكبر.
are on fire.
Don't look, Sarah.
Why are they doing that?
لا إله
Keep looking
إلا
at me,
الله.
baby.
لا إله إلا الله.
Over there!
We're gonna get out of this. I promise.
روح فين؟ أرماديلو سير. هو في ايه كل ده؟ من هنا؟ أمال منين؟
Get back! There's too many of them!
طب اروح فين طيب؟
This way! Through the alley!
خش. ليله في دماغ
He's
امي.
dead! God damn it!
We're almost there. We're almost there, baby.
They're getting through the fence! Keep going! Find your way out of here! Come on! Go! Move it! Get to the highway! Go! You got Sarah! I can outrun them!
Uncle Tommy?
I will meet you there! Hurry!
هيضحي بنفسه من المجنون.
Daddy, we can't leave him.
It's gonna be fine.
We're almost there.
ده في ثانية ايه ده كله؟
They're getting
خير
closer.
خير خير.
Dad?
هو اخوه
It's okay, baby. We're safe.
صح. لا
Hey, we need help.
Stop!
Please. It's my daughter. I think her leg is broken.
Stop right there!
Okay. We're not sick.
Got a couple of civilians in the outer perimeter. Please advise.
Eddie, what about Uncle Tommy?
We're gonna get you to safety and go back for him, okay?
انت تومي.
Sir, there's a little girl. But,
هو ايه اللي لكن؟
yes, sir.
Somebody, we've just been through hell.
هيضرب عليه.
Okay, we just need.
هيضرب عليه. مات. حرام بصراحة البنت والله.
Please don't.
هو تومي صح. هو
Oh no. Sarah,
ايه؟ ياه.
move your hands, baby. I know, baby. I know. Listen to me. I know this hurts you. You're gonna be okay, baby. Stay with me. I'm gonna pick you up. I know, baby. I know it hurts. Come on, baby. Please. I know, baby. I know. Sarah. Baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Don't do this to me, baby. Come on.
يعني ينفع؟ طب دي بداية والنبي، دي بداية. يا لهوي يا لهوي على الحزن.
Please, 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 please.
البداية.
The number of confirmed deaths has passed 200. The governor has called a state of emergency.
There are hundreds and hundreds of bodies lining the streets.
Panic spread worldwide after a leaked report from the World Health Organization showed that the latest vaccination tests have failed.
With the bureaucrats out of power, we can finally take the necessary steps.
Los Angeles is now the latest city to be placed under martial law. All residents are required to report to their designated quarantine. Riots have continued for a third consecutive day, and winter rations are at an all-time low.
A group calling themselves the Fireflies have claimed responsibility for both attacks.
Their public charter calls for the return of all branches of government.
Demonstrations broke out following the execution of 6 more alleged Fireflies.
You can still rise with us. Remember, when you're lost in the darkness, look for the light. Believe in the Fireflies.
ايه ده؟ اكيد بعد 20 سنة. لا احنا نقف لحد هنا. حلوة اوي المقدمة دي على اول فيديو لينا في القناة. حلوة اوي كده. يا لهوي انا. لا مقدمة تحزن بصراحة. والله مقدمة تحزن. حرام والله بنت زي دي تاخد طلقة كده. يا لهوي على. لا باين كده اللعبة هتطلع حلوة. قصة فعلا قصة عظيمة شكلها كده بنت اللذينة. لا انا متحمس. لا كفاية كده. كفاية لحد كده. لا مش عارف اقول ايه بصراحة. احفظ بس الاول. كفاية لا حلو كده تبقى دي المقدمة بتاعة لعبة The Last of Us Part 1 وأول فيديو في القناة بعون الله. إن شاء الله هنزل فيديو تاني أكمل برضو حبة حلوين في اللعبة. فيديو مدته مثلا نص ساعة ولا حاجة. ماشي نتعرف بس كده على الدنيا. احنا عرفنا شخصيتين، جول وسارة بنته الله يرحمها. لا بس اللعبة حلوة شكلها كده تطلع حلوة. وبس كده. الفيديو الجاي بإذن الله نبدأ تختيم اللي بجد بقى. سلام.